guys, my name is Charlotte aka HarleySense here on YouTube. So this video I had sat down to try and edit last night to go up last night or this morning, and the editor I have wouldn't work. So I bought like Movie Studio 15, just like the base one, which is maybe £40, but I got it for 30. And for some reason it wasn't working, so I thought, right, I'll transfer all the files back to my old laptop to use Windows Movie Maker. And there I found out all the files were corrupted. So I don't know if it's because I was moving them or what, but the files got corrupted sadly. So I'm having to refilm and I'm incredibly pissed off about that, but gotta just get on with it. So as you may have been able to tell by the title, this video is the Google Picks My Makeup challenge that Nikki Tutorials made. I filmed this originally 2 days after she did the video, but a friend of mine here on YouTube has also filmed this video with a very different kind of look to what mine will be, because I kind of know. So I will link her video down in the description. I will link her video down in the description. Her name is Chloe Swift. I think she's a really good YouTuber. I really enjoy her videos, so go and check her out down below as she's done this video as well. And yes, let's get started. Again, damn it. I've got tape on my eyes because I want to. Don't just put tape from the roll straight on your eye. I put it on my hand twice to remove some of the stickiness, and then I put it on so it's not so damaging to my skin. And yeah, I'm going to start by using the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I'm going to put it on my eyelids and go all the way up to kind of blend it up so to my brow bone, so all the skin is like a normal colour instead of just my veiny eyelids because they're horrible. Okay, so now I'm going to put the Urban Decay Primer Potion on. Also, I just realised my skin looks horrible today, so that's great. I've got a spot on my nose, I've got spots everywhere, and I haven't worn makeup in so long. It's very annoying. Anywho, okay, so I'm going to put a picture that I've realised I haven't described the rules to this video. So what you do is you go on Google Images and you type in your initials and then look. So for me that was CG look, and I will put the image that was the first image on screen now. And yeah, you're basically just going to make a look that is inspired by that photo that comes up. So this is going to be fun. So as you could tell, there were like pinks and reds in that photo. So I will be using the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. I'm very lucky that this challenge came out after I got this. But yes, that does mean there'll be 2 Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette videos in a row. But what are you going to do, eh? What are you going to do? I also just realised I need to go and get my eyeshadow brushes, so BRB. Okay, so I've just put glucose, the like white colour, all over my lid with this like fluffy brush. So now what I'm going to do with which brush? Like a crease brush, I'm going to take Prick and go in the crease, as the brush name would suggest. I've also had to redo the tape on my eyes because it started coming away right at the corners. I found that this red looks quite pink actually on the eye, at least on my skin tone. It's a very pinky red, even though it looks more of an orangey red in the pan. But that makes this red tying with the pink a lot better. Okay, so as you can see, that looks quite pink on my eye. So what we're going to do is we're going to darken it up with Cherry Soda, not going quite so far up as we went with Prick, but just to kind of give a bit more definition to make it look a bit more red. So I'm going to take the same brush because then like they kind of blend better together, if you know what I mean. I'm going to go right in the crease with that. Okay, I've had to take a little break so my camera can charge. But anyway, so now I'm going to be taking a slightly more angled kind of fluffy brush and Fresh Meat, which is again an even darker red, and I'm going to focus that on like the outer corner and slightly going into the crease, but not quite so much. And I'm kind of tapping that in the outer corner, sorry, to kind of get as much colour there as possible. Okay, and then I'm going to go with a tiny bit of cherry soda just on top of this to kind of warm it up again, because it's very cool toned compared to the other reds. Okay, so now I'm going in with the bright pink Coral Cavity with a fluffy brush, and I'm taking that all over the lid. And again, I'm just kind of pressing it on so I can kind of get it exactly where I want it to be. And I'm going to blend that pink upwards rather than blending the red like downwards. And now I'm going to get my big fluffy brush again and blend everything out so there's no harsh lines or patchiness, especially around the edges. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Intense Ink eyeliner and do a wing with that. I have just realised I've forgotten a step that I did in the last video. Well, the first time I tried. I'm going to take candy floss on my finger and press that into the pink. I'm not going to like blend that or anything, because where I've put it with my finger, I've put it exactly where I want it to be. And no, I haven't got eyeliner on my skin, that's on the sellotape. That's the word I'm thinking of. Okay, so I've done the rest of my face off camera and fixed my eyeliner because it was starting to drag, because both my eyeliners are drying out. I haven't had either of them for all that long. So if you have any good liquid eyeliners that are drugstore, please leave them in the comments because I need to find an actual good eyeliner. Thank you very much. Okay, so to finish off my face, there's like an icy grey silvery bluish kind of colour. So for that colour, I'm going to use the highlighter in the Love Revolution palette. I'm going to grab a fan brush and I'm going to put that on, because it's a whole look basically around it. It doesn't have to just be the eyes. So I'm going to, you know, shove this on various places. As you can tell, hopefully, this is a very like icy highlight, which I struggled to find for the longest time. So I'm very glad I found one. You know? Okay, so to finish off the eyes, I'm going to take a shader brush. Now, I can't remember what I did for the under eyes. So I think I did, because the top is very pink and red, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put Cake Mix on first, because I found that with my last look I did with this palette, Cake Mix makes the pink look a lot more peachy, and it's really pretty. I'm kind of dusting that underneath, kind of taking it down a bit. And then I'm going to put Tongue Pop, which is like a really light pink, over the top. Now I'm going to take Cavity and Prick, the pink and the red. I'm going to like take a dab of each and again go over the top. Okay, I'm just going to blend that again with my big fluffy brush. Okay, so I've done the pink, the red, the icy grey, blue colour, the black. Now I just need to do the white, and for that I'm going to be taking this Rimmel Kohl eyeliner in just the white colour, and I'm going to pop that on my waterline. And then I'm going to take the Benefits They're Real mascara and pop that on. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to be taking the Revlon Colourstay Lip Liner in Natural, because I feel like I need a very nude lip with this eye, frankly. So I'm going to just pop that on. Of course, then I'm going to take this Elizabeth Arden Beautiful Colour Luminous Lip Gloss in Sweet Pink. And I'm going to put a tiny bit on just for the pink to kind of tie in with the pink eyes. Pink eye, whichever. I'm just kind of dotting it and then like rubbing it in. And finally I'm going to set everything with the Kat Von D Lock-It Setting Spray. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. This is the finished look. So yeah, I'm actually really happy with it. It's turned out just as well as the first time. Thank God. I was really hoping it would work. Hopefully all this footage actually works and I can actually upload this video this time, so fingers crossed for that. Yeah, so if you enjoyed, hit the like button and subscribe down below. We are on 141 subscribers as I'm filming, so I'm hoping to get 150 very soon. That would be really nice, frankly. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you next time. Bye!